Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a new lecture series on VLSI technology. Today is the ninth class of this lecture series. Those who are not follow my channel, please follow my channel. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब के बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊं आपको पता चले. So let's get started. Welcome to VLSI technology. In previous class, I will discuss about the packing density of zinc blende structure, simple cube and body centered cube lattice structure. Today I will explain the packing density of face centered cubic lattice structure. Okay? In this session, I will discuss about the packing density of face-centered cubic lattice structure, in which 6 face atom present, which is already discussed in my previous class, right? And also I will discuss about the coordinate of this 6 face-centered atom in my previous lecture. Okay? From the origin, the nearest neighbor atom coordinate is for face-centered atom, that is half, half, 0. So, from the origin, the distance between the two neighboring atom is root over 1 by 2 minus 0 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0, that is 0 square. So, what we get from this equation, that is 1 by root 2. Right? Okay. Then, what is the radius of this face-centered atom? That is a by root 2, where a is the lattice constant. Right? Next, total contribution of atoms per unit cell is then calculated. The total corner atom is, we know, 8. So, 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1. So, the total contribution of atoms per unit cell is 1. Okay. Next, the total contribution of face-centered atom is 6 face into 1 by half, 1 by 2. That is equal to 3. So, the total contribution of face-centered atom is 3. In the face-centered lattice, no interpenetrating second sublattice present. Right? So, the total number of atoms present inside the unit cell, that is 1 plus 3. 1 is for total corner atoms per unit cell and 3 is for face-centered atoms contribution. So, the total atom is 1 plus 3, that is 4 atoms. Right? The distance between the nearest neighbor atom is a by root 2, which is called radius. Therefore, the tetrahedral radius is a by 2 root 2. Okay? And I have only 4 sphere in a unit cell because the total contribution of atom is 3 plus 1, 4. So, 4 sphere is present in a unit cell. So, the total volume occupied, that is how much? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the tetrahedral radius. The value is a by 2 root 2. So, if we putting the value, that what we get here, that is 4 into 4 by 3 pi a by 2 root 2 whole cube, that is equal to pi a cube by 3 root 2. Okay. Then what is the packing density or atomic packing factor? That is, you know, volume of atoms divided by volume of the unit cell. Okay, that means the packing density is pi a cube by 3 root 2, which is the volume of the sphere, divided by volume of the unit cell, that is a cube. A cube is cancel out. So what we get here, pi by 3 root 2, that is equal to 74%, which is about 74%. Okay. So you see, compared to a zinc blende structure, and face centered cubic lattice is much more densely packed. Why? Because the packing density of zinc blende structure is 34% and the packing density of the face centered cubic lattice structure is 74%. Okay. So the packing density is much higher for a face centered cubic lattice compared to a zinc blende structure, right? Okay. In next class we discuss about the how impurity atom is doped into the crystal structure. Okay. So here we end today's session. Thank you. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.